If you're facing an issue where the Microsoft Webview 2 installer keeps failing or getting stuck, don't worry. We're going to fix it right now. First, open this PC or my computer and go to your local disk C. Navigate to Program Files in x86 and look for the folder named Microsoft. Inside, find these three folders: Edge, Edge Core, and Edge Webview. Select them and delete them completely. Next, we need to clear the registry. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type regedit, and hit Enter. Once the registry editor opens, paste the destination path. I'll provide this in the description as well. Right-click on the specific key and select Delete. Confirm the deletion. Now, go back to your setup file. Instead of just double-clicking, right-click on it and select Run as administrator. As you can see, it's now downloading and installing smoothly without any errors. If this video helped you solve your problem, please give it a like and subscribe to WebTrack for more technical fixes. See you later, alligator!